Here is the new center console boat that looks like it was made to look raggedy. Just got some water for the pressure washer, and I'm going to pressure wash the boat. Pressure wash any lime or surface stuff off of it, and then I'll sand what I have to, but I'm gonna sand it and then paint it white with the spray gun. Clean up the engine, make it look better. Maybe paint it if it doesn't clean up too well. The inside's pretty clean, not too bad. Trailer would look better silver, but at least have the rims look silver. Could look better, but the top could be white. Seats upholstered. Could make a proper seat for the back here, like a center console seat instead of this single weird looking thing. The console could be cleaned up, modernized. That wind thing that's like peach or red can come off. Either tinted or just removed for now, putting up a bigger one. The top there, it could be made solid or put some waterproof like white fabric. We'll see. These would look better if they were like wider and maybe white, the side post. Or maybe I'll put a piece of metal on the edges to make it look a bit better. Something that you can grab onto though, because that's a good place to hold your balance when you're out on the water. It's got a nice trailer. That's the only thing about painting the bottom white is these rollers will get black marks on it, so it's probably best to paint way down there that's under the water black, but the water line is about right here, so all this up here can be painted white. That would look better. This can be painted white, and the part here, it's got rope in it that can be like removed because it's all fraying up, and that could be all white too. This part could be white paint, not just the gel coat, because it's all faded looking. It's a nice boat, good for deep water. And the wiring, the fuse box, it's got to have the fuse box without the inline fuses, because those inline fuses aren't too reliable. So put some plug-in fuses and make sure it's working properly. Couple new batteries. This has got to be taken out here, this sort of water shield thing. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like after it's pressure washed. Look quite a bit better just doing that. Take off that Seabell sort of sticker on the side. It does not look very cool. It could look cool. Probably leave those silver rails on at the front for now. Makes it look like a bigger boat. And electric anchor at the front here that drops down. It's got surge brakes on it, so yeah, it's pretty much everything. It's got some LED lights, new LED lights, fog lights and stuff, floodlights that can be put on. The antenna is a bit broken, that's got to be fixed up or replaced. Seats, there's some seat cushions, they could be reupholstered. And it's got a toilet in it, but I don't want a dirty, nasty toilet in the boat. Anybody wants to go to the bathroom, they can jump out outside. Toilet's under there at the front. Like all that wood down there, it's just a piece somebody put in, but it's gotta come out. That's paint on there. Sea Bell. That looks lovely. Great. Definitely not. It's got a rip up there, so I think it would look a lot better if that's white. You could paint it too, but a solid top would look pretty cool. Could be a bit bigger too over the front, more sun protection for people. All this wood trim around the sides. Could have cushioned upholstery around there. Fishing Magician has got to go. That's not going to happen. Not anymore. And the light blue just isn't working. Color combinations will make the boat look better when it's taken care of.